Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Winter Mandarin Duck in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. So guys, for your information, this Winter Mandarin Duck is a rare bird in Winter Frost season. So if you want to meet this Winter Mandarin Duck, you need to join the Winter Bird Watching event. So it will increase your chance to meet this bird. And to join the winter bird watching event, you can track on the map, and the event is right here. Okay, winter bird watching event. You can start the event, or you can join the event hosted by Bailey J. But now Bailey J hasn't started the event, so I'm going to start it by myself. And you can go to the bird watching device, guys. Now the event is available, so I can start it now. Start winter bird watching event, and it will consume 2000 golds. Okay, and I've just started the event, and I'm going to click on start now. Okay, hosted by me, and prepare your scanner. And then guys, to meet the winter Mandarin Duck, you need to get the extra pace. The extra pace will increase the possibility to meet the winter Mandarin Duck. Alright, finally I could get the extra pace, and usually if you get extra pace, you need to move to another spot. Okay, and this is the winter Mandarin Duck. Ooh. Finally, I could meet this rare bird from the winter frost season. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the winter Mandarin Duck in Heartopia game winter frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!